Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Hey guys, today we're going to do a protein treatment, so if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. You guys, this is going to be me also reverting my hair. My first time washing my hair since my sister-in-law parted my hair and then I kinky twist my hair. So my hair has kind of swollen up a little bit because I'm back in Seattle now. It's raining. I don't cover my head when I go outside, so the scalp of my twist have swollen, but the ends of the twist is still pretty non-reverted. And then also because I'm struggling with growing back my hair from the density being taken away from having COVID, that's what I'm also dealing with the straggly ends. So I'm going to do a protein treatment because I haven't did one in about 5 months. And I also wanted to show you guys that it is very possible to still get your protein treatment in while you have a protective style in. If I didn't say so before, this is my real hair. So doing a protein treatment on my hair like this, I can get all of my hair thoroughly washed out, thoroughly saturated with the protein treatment, and I've never had any personal problems with doing a protein treatment on my protective style. So if you feel uncomfortable doing this, then don't do it. But I thoroughly make sure that my hair is washed, and I'm going to be using the Afro G protein treatment. I'm going to be using the shampoo, the conditioner, and also the protein treatment. But like I said before, I make sure that my hair is thoroughly cleansed. My scalp is thoroughly cleansed. And like I stated before, I'm going to make sure that I'm not mangling up my twist this go around because I felt like my hair locked a lot on my last takedown because I washed my hair multiple times throughout the month. And then as I was washing my hair, I didn't really pay attention to the way that I was washing it. I was just kind of doing the herbal essence commercials, like with just bunching my twist up. So this time I'm really focusing on my scalp, making sure that I am not running my hands down the length of my twist and continuously like rubbing and tangling up my twist. So I'll let you guys know if that really helps. And I also used a scalp scrubbing utensil to help me, a hair tool to help me scrub more of the buildup off my scalp. In the beginning of the video, I was kind of showing you guys that I had a little bit of flaking because I didn't wash my hair for an entire month and about a week. So I was just showing you guys, like, I do get a little flakes, especially if I haven't been spraying my hair or wetting my hair that often. And then one other thing, you guys can see that the back of my head, like the nape of my head, is shorter. And I feel like that came from the thinning from COVID and also postpartum shedding. So I'm working on getting that, the nape of my head to grow out. So I'm going to be focusing on cutting the length off the top of my head and not so much on the nape of my head. One other trick that I wanted to show you guys with the protein treatment that I found and that made it so much easier, I like to shampoo and then add the conditioner into a jar or some sort, and then I like to follow up with the 2-step protein treatment and add that right into the conditioner, mix it up with my fingers, and then apply it to my scalp that way instead of applying the protein treatment to my hair. Instead of trying to apply it as a liquid, I feel like my hair absolutely enjoys the protein treatment in this state when it's more creamy and it's not a watery base. My nose get really bothered with spraying the spray on my hair. So I really enjoy putting the protein treatment inside the conditioner, making it more of a cream base, and then rubbing that throughout my hair. And then I know the instructions say let this dry and get hard. You guys, I still blow dry my hair until it's probably 80% dry. My hair don't get as hard, but it still gets hard a little bit. But I felt that my hair is so much more moisturized, and maybe because I have low porosity hair, this kind of softens up the protein treatment for my hair, and my hair really responds very well to this particular way. Um, if you guys don't have the conditioner, like the bigger bottle of the conditioner, I also made this with doing an aloe vera juice, like an actual aloe vera plant. I'll probably have that video linked down below, but I did do a protein treatment with using the aloe vera plant just to make the protein treatment not so watery, and that made it more of a jelly substance. So check that video out. I'll show you guys what that looks like down below. And yeah, you guys, I just follow up with blow drying my hair. I rinse out the protein treatment, then I follow up with the deep conditioner for about like maybe 10 to 15 minutes, and I also put my DIY hair oil on the top of that, and then I rinse out the conditioner, and then I follow up with styling my hair. And here I'm just showing you guys some of my struggle areas in my hair, where I still need to cut off a bunch of hair because of the COVID shedding. So yeah, and then the end result, you guys, it's me talking about my hair in a completely different video. So if you are interested in what I'm talking about with my hair dry, then just stay tuned for that video, because yeah, there's a lot that I need to say about the state of my hair after washing it. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and just let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I'll talk to you guys later.